Look around you. This room, your hand, the very light hitting your eyes. What if everything you've ever taken for granted is a lie? What if the universe isn't what it seems? Modern physics tells us strange tales of particles in two places at once, of reality bending to our gaze. But what if we've got it all wrong? What if the very fabric of existence, from the smallest quantum whisper to the grandest cosmic roar, is speaking a secret language, a language of 11 dimensions? At the heart of the quantum realm lies a baffling truth: superposition. Particles, they say, exist in multiple states simultaneously. A coin spinning, neither heads nor tails. A particle both here and there. It's probabilistic, uncertain. But what if this uncertainty, this ghostly existence, isn't a fundamental truth of the universe? What if it's simply a profound illusion? To understand this illusion, let's look at something seemingly unrelated. A classical puzzle from space, the Dzhanibekov effect. A simple object spinning freely abruptly flips its orientation without external force. It's stable, then suddenly unstable, then stable again in a new orientation. This tumbling is predictable, deterministic, based on its internal properties. Now imagine this. What if quantum particles are doing something incredibly similar? Here's where the 11-dimensional model rewrites everything. Forget simply more space dimensions. Our model reveals dimensions 1 to 3, our familiar spatial reality. Dimension 4, rotation and time, not just a line, but the engine of change, the fundamental spin. Dimension 5, polarity, the intrinsic up and down directionality, the core of duality. Higher dimensions 6 to 9 define complex interactions, multi-body systems, and subtle influences that shape reality. The 11th dimension, interconnectedness and information, the ultimate fabric, where information flows instantly, connecting everything. So, the illusion of superposition? It's our brain trying to grasp an 11-dimensional truth with only 4 senses. Imagine a quantum particle. Its fundamental polarity, defined by the 5th dimension, is constantly flipping or oscillating at a speed almost beyond comprehension. Like the Dzhanibekov effect, but infinitely faster. When we measure it in our slow 4-dimensional reality, our instruments effectively take a long exposure photograph. We don't see the continuous deterministic flipping. We only see the statistical average, a blur of up and down that appears to be both simultaneously. The probability isn't inherent uncertainty. It's our lack of resolution into the particle's true, deterministic, higher dimensional dance. The same applies to positional variance. The particle is exploring various interconnected paths and interactions across dimensions 6 to 9, and we perceive a probabilistic spread. This profound revelation applies across all scales. The microcosm is the macrocosm. The same principles governing particle spin, galactic flattening, and even the spontaneous Dzhanibekov flip are orchestrating your reality. The universe isn't just a collection of random particles, it's a grand deterministic symphony of 11 dimensions where information flows instantly through the 11th, connecting everything. And we're not just theorizing. My team is building cloud chambers, much like the ones that first revealed particles. And we're proposing a groundbreaking experiment in space, using our custom wingnut design to prove these macroscopic entanglement analogies. If we can show synchronized flipping across distance, it's a huge step towards unveiling the universe's secret language. The implications are staggering. If superposition is an illusion, if reality is truly deterministic and interconnected through 11 dimensions, then everything you thought you knew about the universe and your place in it is about to change. Are you ready to see the world as it truly is?